In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a bank in Payoneer account, complete bank account verification. First, sign in to your Payoneer account using the website or the mobile app. Open Payoneer, enter your credentials, and make sure you land on your main dashboard. Always use a secure connection and keep your login details private as you proceed. From the dashboard, head to the withdraw and transfer section. This is the area where you manage external bank accounts and move your funds out of Payoneer. Click on Withdraw to Bank to begin the process of connecting your bank. If you haven't linked a bank yet, you'll see an option to add bank account. Click it to start the setup. Payoneer will guide you through a short form, and it's important to enter everything exactly as it appears on your bank records. Type in your bank details carefully: the bank name, your account number, the account holder name, and the routing number or SWIFT code if your region requires it. The most important rule here is that the account holder name must match the name on your Payoneer account. Any mismatch can trigger verification issues or delays. Also, double check for typos and be sure the account number and routing or SWIFT code are correct for your specific bank and country. When you're done, review every field before you submit. Confirm that the country and currency are correct and that the names match exactly, then click Submit to send your bank information for review. At this point, Payoneer may ask you to complete verification. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. If documents are requested, you'll find the tasks in the verification center. Common documents include a recent bank statement or any official proof that clearly shows your name and the bank account number you just entered. Make sure your documents are clear, uncropped, and readable with all key details visible. Submitting high-quality, accurate files helps speed up approval. Next, wait for Payoneer to verify your bank account. Approval times can vary depending on your country and bank, so keep an eye on your email and your Payoneer notifications. If anything else is needed, you'll be prompted right there. Once approved, your bank account will appear under Withdraw to Bank. From there, you can transfer your Payoneer balance to your local bank whenever you need. Before each withdrawal, take a moment to confirm the amount, fees, and processing time so there are no surprises. That's the full process. Double check every detail, keep your documents accurate and clear, and you'll be set. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.